is Morgan Best. I'm a first-year honors business management student from Charlotte, North Carolina. I think my biggest takeaway for the financial literacy event was the emphasis and importance of saving and investing your money. So today we learned that Black wealth is going to be at $0 in the year of 2053, which is absolutely crazy. And I think that today, hearing from Dr. Holly and how we should be saving in increments of 50%, 30%, and 20%, really put it in perspective of how we as the youth can change that $0 around.
Yeah. All right. Any advice that you would give to your peers about something that you learned today?
Yes. So I would say my biggest piece of advice for my peers would be to definitely decipher between what your needs are and what your wants are. I think that oftentimes you can get caught up in our wants and not so much focus on our needs. So definitely pouring back into that.